What's up, guys? You're back. When we left off, apparently, the light killed this dude's kids. So, I don't know if dude. What the f? That's fucking. What do I do? What do I do? Oh, you gotta book it. Oh shit, this shit's still something. Fuck you. I didn't mean to hit you with that. This shit's scary. Oh my god, dude. I need him to break this. Fuck off, dude. Oh god. Fuck me. Fuck. Oh, that is so fucking scary, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit, I was bad. I don't mean to shoot you, bro. I need to shoot that. Oh god. Oh fuck. Fuck, what? Boys, this is fucking terrifying. Fuck you. Is there like a way to fight duck? Did you see me? Speed run this bitch. Hey, do me a favor, fuck off. Okay. What did I do for you? Oh my god, where'd I go? Fuck. Where do I go? Oh shit. What the fuck? What did you do right there? Dude, this owl's fucking creeping me out. Fuck this music. Fuck that music. Let's climb up here. Okay. Oh my, what do we do from here, boys? Fuck. Oh, I think I know. Check it out. There we go. Okay. We're getting places. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god. Stun Seek Hayata. Where are we going now? What the hell is that? We gotta go all the way up basically. And we're right here. So we just wanna go straight up. Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you all! Fuck you! Bye bye, bitch. Ow. What's over here? Dude. What the hell did that do? Are you... Fuck you, I used the map piece on that. Fuck that. Whee! Wait, am I going the right way? Yeah. We're going the right way. How did I manage to do that? Fuck you. Fuck you. Bye, bitch. Ooh, I got my map piece back, though. It's kind of worth. It's kind of worth it, I thought, I guess. Fuck that. Don't use your map piece on that. Fuck you. Climb up there. Go up here. Jump over this time. Whoa, Aaron. What? What? How? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna save when I get there so I don't die over the most random bullshit. Oh my god. I'm salty. I'm salty. Oh. 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 Not bad. Not bad. I don't know how. This is great. This is harder. This is harder than the fucking owl. Just to get on top. What the hell am I doing? What the hell am I doing with my life? Bitch, get the fuck out of here with that bullshit. You get the fuck out of here with your bullshit. And Ori, just fly the fuck up here, dude. So sick of your bullshit. Goodness gracious. Fuck this. That's not... Oh. Thank God I fucking saved. Thank God. Oh my... Yo. I'm bad at this game. It's okay. What the hell? How do I get up there? Oh. Got sick dodges, bro. We're supposed to go straight up? What? How do you get... Wait. Map. What happens if I hit that lever that's down here? Give me some fucking health back. What does that do? Lift that up. But I don't need to go that way. Fuck you. Dodging dudes for days! Where am I going? Wait. I gotta go straight. Straight this way. Is there a... I'm not all the way up there yet. Oh, this is a fucking long ass journey. Just keep floating, just keep floating, just keep floating, floating, floating. This fucking bird's retarded. Bye bye, bitch. Yep, I'm the right way, I think. No, how do you get up there? Maybe it's the other way then. Yeah, it's this way. It has to be this way. Do I just keep going up? I'm gonna keep going up. Oh wait, but there's... Wait, what? No, 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 I can't die here. I can't die. I can't die here. That's a thing that I can't do. I didn't save. Wait. I saved. Fuck yo. Fuck yo. Fuck yo. Yeah, bitch. Where does this go? There's no wind in this one. It's just scary. Sir, I need your help to get up here. God damn it. I can't even save because I use all my things there, don't I? Fuck you. Fuck you. No, I don't. I have an extra one. Ow, I still took damage though. Fuck, I can't die. What the fuck? What the hell? Fuck it, I'm going straight up. Fuck you, maybe next year. Oh, why is this here then? Wait. Let me save. Let's try this one more time. I think I could drop off those rocks. Oh wait, there's no way. No. There, I had to learn to. There has to be something. Fuck it. Fuck. Oh, there's another map piece over there. How do I get over there? Oh, is it up here too? Can I get up there? Oh. Let's see. I can't get up there either, right? Yeah, didn't think so. Go over here. Saw that coming. Oh, I need to get that map piece on the top again. I should have saved. Let's float all the way to the top. Keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going, going. Oh, no, I don't need to go there. Not there. Save game. Okay. Woo! That, like... Oh, God. Okay. Now where do I go? I couldn't even go anywhere if I wanted to. What the fuck? Oh, secret. What, bitch? Get the fuck out of here. That bullshit. I got 3 things that I don't know where to go. Oh, no. What the hell? Okay. What do I do now? I have no idea where I'm going. But there's another map piece over here. I must be getting closer. What the fuck? Just die, bitch. I think I got all the pieces. Where did I go now? Maybe. Nope, definitely don't go down here. It has to be over here now. What the fuck? What the fuck? Ah, ah! Oh my god. We got this. Wait, what does that do? That... Oh, that's just there to be an asshole? Okay, that's cool. Let's save. Right? Can't. Pretty sure I can jump all those rocks. Fuck that. How the fuck would you time a rock falling? Fuck that. Maybe you can't. Maybe I just fucked myself. Maybe I go back. Come back, I'll be there. Nope. Maybe if I go all the way up here. All those assholes try to shoot me. Yeah, maybe I die. And then go here. Then open you. Maybe I do need you. Bird, I need you. Thanks, bud. Too good. Too pro. What? I did that for nothing? No way. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I can't die. I can't die. There's no way I did that for nothing. Yeah, give me a map. Oh, that's so fucking helpful. I can't go up there, so I probably... There's a map piece up here. Ow. Good fucking job. I'm dead. No! Oh wait, it saves right here. fine. I'm fine. Fuck. I want to get that map piece. I'm not getting you. Gotta do this shit again though. So how do I get up there? There has to be a way. These are all fucking locked. Nothing you can do. So what would I do to get up there? Oh, there has to be this, that. That's what has to be. Has to be that. Ooh. Can I go straight up? Let's see what happens if I go straight up. What the fuck? Oh my god, kill me. Yeah, let's get that shit again. Yeah, I've seen that map like 10 times already. Save that shit again. Come on, dude. Jump down! Okay, there we go. We got it. Woo! That was scary. Bitch, fuck you. One day I'm just gonna retire. Where'd I go? I should probably kill these enemies, but must be the fun in that, you know? Oh, okay. Too close for comfort. Okay, how do you get over? I don't like myself. There has to be a way, dude. What do I do? Where do I? Wow. There's a wall above me. Wow, I ran right into that. That was my fucking fault again. No, not going on there. There's so many enemies. Fuck that. Everything wants to kill you. Oh, fuck. What do I do? Oops, don't do that. Tab. So there's a okay. There's a wall right there. How do you break that wall? That's where I need to put my keys, dude. Either get to that, because I opened this, I destroyed that. What's gonna go from here? There's nowhere else to go, right? No, that's the only way. What? How? Unless you can destroy them somehow. Oh, what the fuck? Pull that here, that bullshit. What did you do? How do you do this? I'm confused. I'm stumped. I'm stumped. I'm trying to think. Where would I go from here? Because there is a way to get up there. But how? Oh, shit. I'm going the right way. I know that for a fact. But how? Tried that already. If I Maybe if I... Let me in! How do I destroy it? I have to just like literally destroy it from up there. That's so weird. I try to see if I can like juggle it. I feel like this thing is here for a reason. I don't know why I feel like that, but I feel like it is. I feel like that thing is here for a reason, but I don't know what reason. Or maybe it's not here for a reason. What do I do? Where do I go? Who do I see? Why do I keep doing that? Where do I go from here, guys? The fuck? I'm trying to think. I'm definitely in the right area. There's no fucking doubt about that. How did you break that? We got this. How would you... I don't know how to do this. I did it! I did it! I figured it out! 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 Figured it out! Figured it out! Yes! Don't die. Open. Hi there, bitch. Okay. Okay. It's over here. Don't know how to get to that. Soul Link ready. Hey, buddy. What enemies are... There you go. Okay, you game. Enemy... Oh, God. Fuck you. Can't hit me from here, can you? I'm just gonna kill you. So I could, do a Soul Link. Thank you. Thanks, bae. Where did this go? Where am I? Oh, fuck that. I don't need to go there. Fuck it. Ah! What is this? Whoa there. Oh, what is that? Hey, oh. Got another one? Guessing I need you. What? Fuck! 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 Fuck me. Come on. Come on, buddy. That door opens because it takes 10 years. Yeah. Where am I? That's what I need it for. Ow. Rude. I'll die if I do that. Wait, what? Wow, Aaron. Good job, buddy. You did so good, Aaron. Oh, that again, actually. Forgot about that. Come on, push it, push it. Push it. Oh, there's another one down here. Thank you. Wait, no. Yeah. Stay there. You good? You gonna stay there? Fuck, I missed. Okay, so now what? Hey, no, come on, you can do it. Oh, okay, now I understand. Come on, you can do it. Get your ass up there. Yeah, just like that. I'm too good. Let me climb up here. We can't save. Now we can for some reason. You smash that. You smash that. Then you go up, bitch. What the fuck is that? We got another problem. Ooh, this is hard. Oh god. Fuck. Where's the other one? Over there. Fuck, that's gonna be a little challenging. Game saved. Let's go up. Let's go up. Ow. What the fuck? Fuck me. Fuck. Ooh. Ooh, no! 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 No, 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 no. Come on, don't make this so difficult, game. Why you do this? How the fuck I do that? What the fuck? Oh, this game is crazy sometimes. I'm dead. I'm dead. My thumb is, or my pinky is hurting from holding shift button so long. It's literally throbbing right now. My pinky hurts from holding shift so fucking long. The deaths! I wish you could save, but you can't because you're just fucking die. They love to challenge you in this bullshit. Go too high now. Fuck! Ah! Can I wait? Yeah, you can land there. Okay. Just making sure. I have an idea. Okay. Don't get hurt. 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 You got hurt. Fucking shit, dude. What the hell? Fuck this. Why'd I stop? Why'd I stop? Okay. No! I knew it was gonna take damage. Fuck me. Oh yes, 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 yes. Fuck. How would you even get that? Oh, you gotta take it. Don't know how I did it, but I did it. Fuck. What the fuck, dude? Okay. We got this. Woo, we got this. No, we don't. Got this now. My pinky's fucking killing me. Oh, God. Wait. Saved. Fuck. You know what? I'm gonna leave the episode off right there on that death note right there. If you guys enjoyed, give it a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next episode.